Hi, good afternoon to ladies and gentlemen. Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Mogneswari Krishnan and I am the Senior Manager, Human Resource Department of Sun Media Corporation. Okay, I want to make you a short presentation about the report effect flexible working hours during a MCO period. Okay, the purpose of this presentation is to evaluate the success of flexible working hours. Okay, we start with the what is flexible working hours. Flexible working hours doesn't mean not to be a person is simply just working from home. Flexible working employees can work anywhere from home, cafe, and during their communicate. Okay, flexible work schedule enables the employees to make use of the audio or video conferencing resources with the internet and mobile services and provides assurance to the employer to get the job done if the employees is not physically present. Okay, the easiest way we define the workplace flexibility to think as an agreement between employer to employee. The agreement usually consists of three components. Employee can choose work they work from and then create work schedule that works best for them and they schedule their work of day however they want. Okay, after this is the types of flexible working arrangements. Okay, first is part-time. Part-time is working less than normal hours, less days in a week and less week in the month. Okay, another one is flexi-time. They work hours are scheduled by the employer to the employee can come if and during a work hours and as they please. Okay, number 3 is analyze working hours. The number of hours they work taken terms whole year instead of taking number of hours per week and a month. Okay, employees are unexpected to work a certain amount of hours of the year, but hours the flexible when they work. Okay, and then is the staggers hours is different starting times, break and finishing times is different types of employees. Another one is job sharing. Sharing jobs suitable for single person with another individuals. Okay, last is working remotely. Consider is telecommunicating, working from the home and physical presence of the individuals is not required. Okay, the next is benefit for the employers, flexible working hours. Okay, first of all is a beneficial financial benefits. Okay, in addition flexible working conditions is optimizing the output of the employees. There are number of financial benefits to be gained from introducing flexible working. Flexi time is reduce the cost of business associated with the employee absenteeism, tardiness and sick leave, as the flexible working hours improve the employee satisfaction and retention. Okay, and the need to recruit new employees and associate cost can this minimize. Okay, most importantly flexible working arrangement is inexpensive to implement and quick measurable return or investment from the employee output. Okay, another one is reduction in absenteeism. Okay, flexible sharing allows team members to fit their work around personal obligations that would otherwise as a resulting taking a day to off. Okay, flexible work schedule also need healthier employees. Remote workers tend to be able to bounce back from quickly from illness and there are no risk any cough, any cold or traveling through the entire workplace should someone is fail in. Okay, as say earlier is the what the flexible working hours for the okay who were affected by the new hours is employees. It's definitely employees is the affected of the new hours. Okay, for example for the pay cuts 20% of the people will agree to the pay cut of the up to 7% to be able continue work remotely. During a lockdown, when it announced to the whole, allow most workplace work remotely and permanent basis to catch being that salaries might be reduced according to employee locations, targeting in particulars those who have relocated in expensive area. Okay, legally is employer must agree any change of terms and condition with the employees. Okay, allowing employees to work from home during a pandemic will be classed as a temporary change and employees have been able to ask employees to turn in the workplace. Okay, it's agreeing is a flexible working request result permanent change in terms of condition, meaning that employers can include pay cut condition is agreeing to change. Okay, pay cuts is remote working may raise discrimination issues. At the same way as refusal of flexible working hours request, particularly if the majority of those affected are the women with the childcare needs or disabled employees who were require flexible working hours reasonably adjustment. Okay, based on the result is reported a majority staff 76.4% agreed that the advantage in better work adoption during MCO. Out of the participants is 18.2% that the experience may be helped in adapting with any changes. Okay, meanwhile only the 5.5% staff are totally against with the potential contribution of flexible working hours experience towards a better adjustment during a MCO. The reason is perhaps due to having no experience on flexible working hours. Their workplace leave them with no any idea about it. Okay, during the crisis we are going through right now, organization need to have good strategy to ensure their survivability for another 6 months at least. Those organizations that already implemented flexible working, their organizations are in advantage in the current situation because the business is can operate as a usual even with the minimum movement or by work from home because their employees used to it. They have existing policies perhaps needing just minor amendments in the current situation. Okay, finally, has been success flexible working hours to an employee. It's been confirmed 75% from the number of staff as the flexible working hours does indeed improve our productivity. With the flexible working arrangements, employees encouraged to have greater sense responsibility and the time management, which in these two keys of belief bring out more productive workplace and effective remote management. Therefore, from this current challenging situation, there's a take home that not to be learned by business and organization. Is that any question? If there is no question means let me finish my presentation in this. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Okay.